In this video I'm going to show you how the transform terrain node works. This node is quite similar to the full composition node, except that here its role is to modify a terrain and not to compose it with another one. But I have the same tools, for example scale, translation, and rotation. Just like the full composition node, this node also has multiplying coefficients. One to manage the height of the input terrain, and another to manage the area outside the terrain after rescaling the terrain or increasing the terrain size. And I might want to change the terrain size to crop or extend the work area allocated to the terrain. So let's see the transform node in a graph a little more complex. It allows me to control one of the 3 Perlin noise nodes that make up my terrain. My goal here is to transform it enough to achieve an interesting result. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon for the next tutorial.